It's Food Brainwash, boosting your cooking knowledge. We're pepping up the flavours in our soft-baked chocolate chip cookies to give you a taste experience. Stay tuned and watch all 3 videos. Upload pics of your bakes. In my bowl, I'm going to place in my sugar and my margarine. Make sure your margarine is nice and soft. Leave it out from the fridge to soften a while. Then use your wooden spoon to cream together your sugar and your margarine. It'll have a creamy texture, it won't be gritty any longer, and it will be lighter in colour. I'm going to crack in my egg. Into my egg, I'm going to add some drops of black food colouring. I'm now going to incorporate half of this into my bowl. So now that we've finished mixing our chips into our batter, we're now going to put it on our baking tray.